Hello students, I am Ashwini Shankar, your faculty in Perfection IAS, and I am today going to discuss about an important topic which was in the news, that is tempo. What is tempo? Tempo, oh sir, tempo I take every day from coming to Perfection IAS from my house, right? Is that tempo I am talking about? No, I am not talking about that tempo. I am talking about a tempo which is known as tropospheric emission monitoring of pollution. What I have written? Tropospheric emission monitoring of pollution. That is the meaning of tempo. What is a tempo? If somebody asks you, you say it is an instrument. क्या है ये? ये एक instrument है. What is its role? Its objective is to monitor the air pollutants coming from the outer space right? Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. What is point number 3? Point number 3 is that it is situated in geostationary orbit. This is the point number 3. Point number 4, this particular instrument will match the rotation of Earth. What I said? Point number 4, it will match the rotation of Earth. It means it will be placed at a particular place only, where it is placed? It is placed in North America. These are the 4 dimensions of this particular tempo. What is tempo? I am again repeating for you. What is tempo? Tempo is tropospheric. It is called tropospheric emission monitoring of pollution. It is an instrument used to monitor the air pollutants coming from the outer space. It is placed in the geostationary orbit and it will match the rotation of Earth, and the place it is placed is 5th point. It is placed in North America. I hope you know this information will help you if any questions comes from this particular point, right? I hope this information is good, will help you in cracking your exam. Thank you.